Hi friends, I'm Flak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to enable the Wi-Fi calling option on your Samsung mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable the Wi-Fi calling option on your Samsung phone? So we're just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, go to the setting option. After entering into the setting option, you have this lot of them options, and here you have this option called connection in the first place. So you just need to click on the connection option. After clicking on the connection, you have this option called Wi-Fi calling. Click on the Wi-Fi calling. Now you have the choose SIM option. It's actually Wi-Fi calling has been turned off. Just turn this on. Just click this. So now you can see the Wi-Fi calling has been enabled, and you can just use the Wi-Fi calling. This is the way that you can just easily switch the Wi-Fi calling option on your Samsung, any Samsung mobile. Just go to the setting, go to the connections, then click on the Wi-Fi calling and just turn this on. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.